Sweet. Alright, Dads, we just made some 1-inch thick spacers to lower the radiator down. A little hard focusing right now. But that's the low radiator. The radiator's right here. I'm going to solder in our cap, which is over here. I brought a Radiator Cap just because clearance. I'm not going to use that, but it's a give us an idea. Here he comes. What are you doing?
Oh, this was in the French one. I'll throw it
You're
out.
supposed to say playing with it.
Play with it! Yeah, it'll never get hot enough inside to...
It's real good.
Tube looks good. Not in too far. No, nice and flush like I had it.
Nice vent.
Huh?
A nice vent line. His dad's solder job. Let's pop that old cap and get it off. Pretty. Nice little bead. You put a copper line down the side and it bends out a little for our 76mm ammo shell. Pretty good. We'll keep them around a few more years. Okay, we're back home in the garage. There's the radiator all soldered up by Dad. Did a good job. There's the screen. There's the tank. There's those spacers. What it is the grate goes on, the base goes on, which is over here, bolts to the radiator, and then everything slides in from the back, and the spacers will raise this up another inch, raising the shroud, so I'll be able to put a cap in there. Now this cap isn't going to work. It fits and everything, but this thing's wicked old. It's got to be, well, who knows, that truck was from like the 50s, but it fits. We'll get another one. I need a quick release one anyway. But he did a nice solder job in there. You can see it. This thing won't focus. Okay, the radiator's in. On the bottom I have a piece of bicycle tube split open just to make a little rubber insulator. It's right here and here. There's the spacers we made. If you notice with a nut on it, it's flush with the top of that other rail. There's the relay. There's the thermostat. The tube Dad made fits perfect. It ends up here. Goes behind that thermostat. Follows the little thermostat probe, the fan switch, and I need a notch right here, just a little bit, so I can slide the radiator over the front and set it down on those pins, and then we're good to go. But it's like 90 degrees out. I am pouring sweat from my head. That's petcock. I replaced the ancient thing. This is actually a drain for a compressor. I thought it'd work better. But she's in there nice and tight. She's secured on the front with 3 bolts if it'll focus. There it is. One. There's no hole there. One there. There's one that goes here. One that goes here. It's wicked hot today, man. Phew. Putting it together. Actually, the grill's hanging out there. I painted it gold. I have one little can of gold. The shell's right here. This piece of the bicycle tube. My hickory hammer, my wire brush. I'm going to cut these slots right now with my little cutter. My little cutter.